Before we get started with today's video, one disclaimer. So, do you see this Instagram chat? Are you able to find anything different in this, or this might be more or generated with AI or any other things? Or is this look normal? Or even this YouTube comment section. So, there's a video of Elon Musk and some comments on that particular video. So, crazy valuation is justified by the vision they were pursuing. I am his big fan. All of these things. Do you find anything abnormal in this? Or even this WhatsApp chat? So, hey boss, I think FB is down today. What are you saying? I guess there were some big mistakes in this. So, are you able to find anything wrong in this? If you're not able to find any difference, that's great, because we have built all these things, this WhatsApp chat, even this YouTube comment section, and this Instagram thing, all are generated by the SaaS application that we have recently built for our client. And in today's video, I'm going to guide you how you can use that particular platform and give you a detailed overview of that particular thing. And also, if you want to build similar kind of application, similar kind of SaaS app, product development, or any tech related help that you want, you can mail us on contact@codersarts.com. We are industry leader in developing these kind of SaaS applications and solving technical problems of the businesses. So if you have any problem or any issue that you want to consult with us, you can mail us. And let's get started with today's video. This is the first interface which you will see when you will first visit the website. So we have multiple options. We can generate the chats for WhatsApp, comments for YouTube, Instagram chat, TikTok chats, Messenger. We have multiple options. And I'm going to show you each and everything, how you can upload the image, change the contact name, active time, and even the messages of all these things. So let's get started. So first, we will see how we can edit the things for WhatsApp. So we have few options. We can change these name, these online status, and even this image, right? You can see over here, we have profile image option. We can upload the profile. So let's upload one profile. So we can upload this image. So you see, image has been updated. We can update the name. So let's update Elon Musk, and we can change the status. So we can change it online, or if you want to say it over here like active 5 minutes ago. So we can do that as well over here. We can edit each and everything. So this is the thing. Now, second thing that we can edit is this chat section. So you see, we have these messages option. So this is first, sender's name. So you can edit who is adding this message, then what time they were saying, and also we can add the image over here. So let's change these names. So sender name is not shown over here. So there's no issue in even editing if you are even editing over here. So we are not showing in the mail chat. So there's no need of editing these, but we can edit the time. So if I'm adding 10:36 instead of 10:36, if I'm adding 45, then you can see 10:45 came over here. Then we can also upload the image. Let's upload one image over here. So we can upload this image 503. So you can see 503 has been uploaded over here. Then we can change the message. This is testing message that we have wrote. You can see how the message is coming over here. Now we can also send by you or sent by the other person. You can modify this thing as well, because if the message is sent by other person, then it should become on the left side, and if you are sending the message, then it should become on the right side. So you can control that thing. This message isn't sent by me, so I can change that. Now this is the second message. So this is the message which is sent by you, by your friend. So sender's name, friend, time. You can upload the image. Let's upload the second image. I can upload this image. So you can see this image is coming, and then I can change the message. This is message that I have wrote. So you can see second message is coming like this. In the same way, you can edit this third message, fourth message, 5 message, and even if you want to add more messages, like we have currently added these many messages. Now we want to add more. So you can just click on this add, and one more new message will come over here. So if I just show you, this new message came. Now you can upload your image, add your new message. This is new that I have return. So you can see it's coming like this. Now I want this message to be come from the another side. Like I have not sent this message. Then I can simply make it sent by you and it will come like this. After you have edited all of these things and like modified the thing, uploaded the image, changed the time, changed the sender name and all of these things, all things are done, then you can simply click on this export and this particular image will be downloaded as you can see over here. So this is the message. This is the image that your friend have sent. These are the things that is being sent by the user. Now let me cancel this and let's check the other one. So this is for the WhatsApp that I have showed you. Now let's check the other thing. Second is the YouTube option. So if you want to edit the YouTube thing, then you can simply click on this YouTube. And over here, we can generate the edited version of YouTube. So we have few options again. We have option to upload the profile picture of this particular YouTube channel. So you can simply upload the image or the thumbnail of that particular YouTube channel. Then you can edit the channel name, channel subscriber, and also you can upload the YouTube video URL. So basically paste the YouTube URL to preview in this video. So let me paste one URL so that we can see how this will come. I have copied the YouTube URL, so let's just paste it over here. So this is the YouTube video that I have pasted and you can see the thumbnail of that particular video came over here. Now I can change the channel name. So I can make it Interstellar. I can change the subscriber. Let's make them over 1 billion subscriber, 1.2 billion subscribers. And I can also upload the YouTube, basically the picture of that particular channel. So you can simply click on this upload image and upload the URL or basically upload the image of that particular channel. Then you can also make it verified or not. So if that particular channel is verified, then you can check that thing. If it's not, then you can uncheck that particular thing. So all of these things can be controlled from there. Now, second thing that we have to control is this chat section. So this is the first chat that is coming. So I can control the name, sender's name. So this is from me. So it's showing you again the time, the message. Then if it's being sent by you, then you can control that thing. And if that particular thing is verified, so basically if your account is being verified, then you can also check this thing. And this checkbox icon will come after your name. Then you can control the likes, dislike, or basically replies. So all these things can be controlled from here. So this was me. Now this is the second comment that has been made on this particular video. So the channel name, time, message, who has sent this particular thing. If it's being sent by you, then you can send by you and your name will come over here. If it's not, then it will come like this. Then verified, likes and total replies. So all of these things can be controlled. You can add multiple comments. You can see new message. You can add that. I can add more. You can see new message, new message, new message. All these things will come. And if I don't want these things, I can simply delete it. And it will be deleted from here as well in the real time. All these things are happening in the real time so that you can visualize how things actually be looking on to the user side when you have exported these things. So after verifying these things, you can simply click on this export button and your YouTube video will be exported. As you can see, this is the YouTube URL that we have pasted and the thumbnail is coming in XD format. And channel name, these are the comment section that we have made and you can simply share it with anyone and they will not even able to identify that this is created by a SaaS application or some other platform. Now let's see the Instagram section because that's the most important thing and people mostly use Instagram for generating more chats between and sharing with each other. So this is the Instagram section and it has more feature compared to the YouTube or WhatsApp. So again, same thing, profile section, you can upload your profile, you can change your username, active status, and even if your account is verified, you can change that thing as well. So let's switch it Elon Musk and active status, you can change that thing. If the account is verified, then you can click on account verified. And also, you can see this e-name is coming. If you have not uploaded the profile picture, then it will automatically fetch the first letter of that particular username and show it over here. And same will come in these sections as well. You can see. Now, you can also control appearance, dark mode and light mode because Instagram provides us two options to either make it in the dark mode or light mode. So you can choose both. as per your preferences. Mostly people prefer dark mode in Instagram, so I have also made a dark mode. But if you want to generate with the light mode, you can do that as well. Now, the second thing that comes for Instagram is the chat section, because that's the most important thing and the curious thing. So again, you can control the message, what message you want to send with the other person, sent by you, verified by you. You can control these things as well. Then you can control the other message that is being sent by your other friend. So this is, hey, you want to try this new mockup tool? So we can change this thing. You can change it to something else. Hey, you want to try this new chat mockup tool? Let's make it something else. Hey, want to try, or hey, how are you? Then the other person is saying, I'm good. So you can see this kind of message coming over here. Then the third person is saying, that's great. Let's catch up. You can see it's also coming like this. So the other person, the person whom you're sharing these chats with, they were even not able to understand if this particular things are real chat or somebody had generated from some kind of SaaS tool or even generated with AI. Because even if you're trying to generate these things with AI, it takes a lot of time and they will make a lot of mistake. But with the help of these SaaS application that we usually build for our clients, they can perform all of these things within no time. So these are one of the most important benefits that user get when they were building some kind of SaaS application. So you can generate these kind of chats. Then after verifying these things, you can simply click on export, and beautiful chat export will be available to the user. As you can see, hey, how are you? I'm good. That's great. Let's catch up. And these kind of things. So even the third person we are sharing with, nobody will able to understand these are generated with SaaS. So this is all about WhatsApp, YouTube, Instagram, and you can same generate with TikTok. So control the chats, the comment section that you have user is making. Then you can control the messenger. So I can show you these demo, but it will take a lot of time. So I have given you the demo of WhatsApp, YouTube, and Instagram. Same things happen with TikTok. You can generate the videos. You can generate the comment section for TikTok. You can generate the chats for messengers. Same way in the future, we will be introducing for Snapchat, for Telegram, and a bunch of different social media applications available on the internet. We can do these things for all the platforms that are available. So this is all about the latest tool that we have delivered to our client, and they were very happy. We have got a good feedback from their side. Now, if you want to build a similar kind of SaaS application or in general a tech product idea you have in your mind, you can mail us. We are industry leader in developing these kind of applications, and we can help you in building your first internet product and actually launch it into the market. So if you had any idea, if you want any SaaS tool, let's catch up and have a discussion over that. So that's all, and that's it for today's video. I will catch up you with new video. So till then, bye bye.